How to use back tap to screenshot on Samsung. So if you want to use back tap to screenshot on Samsung, then first you just need to simply go with your Galaxy Store, and under your Galaxy Store you need to search for Register application. So you just need to simply go with the download option on the right side, and then you need to download the application. So once you've downloaded, you need to open up the application and you need to allow the permission. So go with continue, which is on the bottom right, and you need to simply go with the registrar settings, and under the settings of the registrar you will have an option of back tap action under the settings extension. So you just need to simply go with the back tap action. Once you tap on back tap here, you need to simply go and toggle on the option. Once you toggle it on here, you will have double tap or triple tap. You can simply choose any one of these options, and here you will have all of the options. So if you choose take and share screenshot, then after double tapping you will have that screenshot option. But if you want to access your Google Voice Assistant after double tapping, then you will get the Google Voice Assistant. You need to simply choose that option. Or you can go with start pop-up window or show notifications or recent notifications or anything. So simply choose any option that you're comfortable with. And if you want to choose screenshot, then choose the first option. And after double tapping, you will be able to take a screenshot. So that's how you can back tap to screenshot on your Samsung. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.